So Honda Civic RPM is kind of low. It's close to 500. It kind of shakes, and as I stop at the red light, it would drop. I'm gonna stop at the directional light and show you guys. Okay, I was gonna stop at this light, but I guess it turned green for me. So if you got a red light come in, I'm gonna brake slowly and then just observe the RPM. Okay, we're gonna have full stop here. I'll tell you when it's full stop. So here's our full stop. RPM just went down. I started to feel vibration, and the RPM should be probably the 2 dots more up, at least 1.5 dot up. So it should be like at least up to like right there. Okay, so that's that. There is a shake in the car, and all we need to do is do some throttle body service. And let's go under the hood, do that. This dirty throttle body also will cause your transmission not to shift. I had a car that it wasn't doing anything. You put it to drive, the car wouldn't even move. Throttle body wasn't even responding. Anyways, cold and hot weather will also matter, because in cold it will really jam up. So if winter comes around, it's gonna give you a lot of trouble. That carbon buildup up there is gonna probably freeze up and harden up. Here it is after cleaning the throttle. It's kind of a little high, but it's beautiful where it's at. There's no vibration. So throttle body, I would clean the throttle body. No matter what you do, throttle body does need servicing. So RPM can be a little bit more higher, but this is perfectly fine there, as long as I don't feel vibration in the vehicle and it accelerates nice and smooth.